Traumatik, I'm a major truth rhymer. My spirit animal's a saber-toothed tiger. Piss me off, I stab you in the face with screwdrivers. And this world is run by some ancient huge spiders. I'm a lyricist, I ain't a shoe shiner. I be making millions, you make a few fivers. I roll a zoot up, it takes up 2 grinders. I'm traveling the world, so I be traipsing through China. Huh? Huh? What? Hey!
Why you wanna come round here?
I'm a drum and bass vampire. I drink blood and get my fans higher. I'm super but I'm natural like wind and fire. Blood is what I desire, strangle people with my wire. Show me disrespect, I do something that you'll regret. Show me disrespect, I'll push something straight in your neck. I'll get your wife, then I'll get your kids. Get my rusty knife and push it straight into your head.
I'm tripping out on DMT, inside a wishing well. I think I'm dying, so I wave goodbye and then I wish him well. Goodbye. I tell you why we live in hell. Why? The city is a prison, you live in a prison cell. Open prison. I use my intuition well. Yes. My psychic capability is very sick as well. When I communicate with entities, I listen well. I tell you what they said to me, but I don't kiss and tell. And now I'm tripping out on DMT, that's sat on random beaches. Trying to find my inner peace, it's in 100 pieces. The human race are parasites, they're blood-sucking leeches. That's why I'm planting seeds of consciousness, I don't do speeches. I don't care if I get laid to rest in pieces, cause near-death experience is DMT releases. Your body dies, awareness never ceases. Death is an illusion, that's the meaning of what peace is. You know my content is offensive. You know it's monstrous and demented. I stick the metal to your mouth, I'm not a dentist. I'm leaving you infected with an abscess and a cleft lip. You must be asking for his death wish. I'll eat your liver, your kidneys and appendix. Fuck life in prison, that's hectic. I don't like long sentences, I'm just naughty. I love making grime, but drum and bass, I love her to bits. I love her. I'm not wasting time, I leave her fit or covered in drips. I don't wank in vomits, but I'm still coming in sick. I'm masturbating, ejaculating a pasta bacon and come on her tits. Splash. I leave some on her hips, yes, and I leave some on her waist, yes. I'm a dirty info. I link one of your mates, wrapped in silk or covered in lace. I'm loving the drums, I'm loving the bass. I love her so much, I pull out my dick and then masturbate and then come in her face. It's time to tell you why my life is all emotional. Most you guys socialise, but I'm unsociable. Cause everyone's an alcoholic sniffing coconut. But not me, I'm different, I ain't following no protocol. I'm different. I hate humans, all I wanna do is choke them all. Die. And some days I don't know how I cope at all. It's been a few times when I'm angry and I broke the wall. But I ain't taking tramadol or cocodamol. My Yoshi Swiss blue cheese is worth more than $3,000. If you wanna come and try and take my cheese, fam, I'll just citizens arrest a fucking policeman, tie him in a back and then set fire to the police van. Wow, I'm a horticulturist, I love my weed, fam. I love it. I get my seeds and clones from a Greek man. It's grown organically, I never do no cheap scams. And if you try and rob me, I will break both your knees, fam.
I'm the #1 challenger, I'm like a football manager. Annihilate then damage ya, then cannibalize and savage ya. Drinking blood like Dracula, I'm amazing and spectacular. When it's late don't ring my phone, send me a message, I'll get back to ya. When you hear me a badness back to back, make you wanna give your mom a happy slap. Turn your dad into an unhappy chat. I'll fuck you up like a drama crack, come out of nowhere like a heart attack. Don't talk shit, don't start your crap. You know I don't know what I mean, yeah. Right, but I'm on the mic like, whoa. DEV, I run the show. Check out my lyrical dirty flow. I get about like a dirty hoe. I spit my bars at a fast tempo. When I'm on grime, I spit them slow. When I drop my bars in the rave, you know that the roof is gonna blow. I got the lyrical magical flow. DEV, I'm running the show. You might hear me on the drums and bass, and you might hear me on the 140. I got the lyrical magical flow. DEV, I'm running the show. You might hear me on the drums and bass, and you might hear me on the 140. I've got intergalactic powers, raining down on MCs like stormy showers. Take some MDMA, fuck a bitch for hours. Smoke a spliff and then wash it down with some apple sours. Fucking a bitch for hours, the bitch was sucking my dick for hours. Fuck a Valentine, I'm not gonna buy you flowers. It's all a big illusion, like the Twin Towers. I got the lyrical energy, I got the lyrical magical powers. I'm that herbalistical, dirty, mystical, herbalistical smoker. Going on in like poker, not into no mediocre. Get your girlfriend and stroke her, introduce her to the coca. You know what I mean, yeah. Do the living la vida loca. I'm a drum and bass vampire. I drink blood and get my fans higher.
Stand and stare at you. Stand and stare at you. Stand and stare and stare at you. Any sacred knowledge I receive, I share with you. Pulsing orbs of light all around me, there's a few. Every single thing I'm saying, I swear it's true, and you can see it in my eyes when I stand and stare at you. Well, shut up you dickhead, be quiet fam. Shut up, cause if you phone the police or the fireman, when they arrive I'll set fire to the riot van. I'll burn your house down and blame it on the frying pan. Do you understand, do you need a diagram? Do I really need to shank you in your diaphragm? Over and over again until you're dying. Over and over and over again.